Oh, what's this? Hey, can you read this?
I can't read. I don't do too much reading.
If you can't read, what can you do? Wow, you turned into a car. I guess you're not completely useless.
Yes, I am really amazing. Look now, I'm a robot.
Fine, I'll read it. Oh no.
What does the message say?
Oh, it just says everything's gonna be alright.
Do you like my evil laugh? Why is it snowing? I am so confused. You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh, wow, that's convenient. Hello?
Hello? Miss Malone?
I think you have the wrong number.
No. I want you to answer my question. My question is, how old are you?
21?
That's baloney.
Is this Judge Judy?
Yes.
Is this a prank call?
Of course.
You know I have caller ID. I could report you.
No. Goodbye.
Yay, I found you again.
Hurry, turn into a car.
I can't get over how cool I am.